Bonjour, I'm Mirna from Caspian.eco. This is my short road stories about United Nations Ocean Conference in Nice, France. I'm here to highlight the progress in blue economy, capacity development and ocean climate innovations from the Caspian perspective. And also I'm here to pay tribute to beautiful Nice and people of France. Merci pour cette formidable opportunité.
On June 3, 2025, over 2,000 scientists gathered in Nice, France for the One Ocean Science Congress. Their mission, as outlined by the International Scientific Committee, was to provide clear, evidence-based recommendations to heads of state and government at the Third United Nations Ocean Conference. This was a blueprint for action, endorsed by the United Nations Decade of Ocean Science, the same decade that has endorsed our own Caspian Carbon Dioxide Removal or CaspianCDR project. This global recognition of regional action is what we're here to discuss, and we're thrilled to share our insights. Today, we're thrilled to embark on an exhilarating journey as we explore the blue economy, a vision for our relationship with the ocean that's not only sustainable but also incredibly exciting. Several of the 10 official recommendations from the Congress, developed by the International Scientific Committee, co-chaired by Jean-Pierre Gattuso and François Houllier, lay the groundwork for a truly sustainable blue economy. We'll focus on three: on sustainable ocean food systems, decarbonizing shipping, and on ending plastic pollution. The committee is calling for sustainable and ecosystem-based management for fisheries and aquaculture. One of the most important things we're focusing on is supporting small-scale actors, especially women. They often play an overlooked role in livelihoods and local food consumption, and we're here to make sure they're supported. It also talks about how to keep seafood safe by understanding the risks of ecological hazards, like harmful algal blooms and pollution. The world is currently negotiating an international legally binding instrument on plastic pollution, including in the marine environment. This requires harmonized monitoring and assessment of plastic pollution and science-based criteria for innovative recycling and alternative materials. In his presentation, Alexander Tura of the University of São Paulo describes marine litter as a, quote, wicked problem requiring a holistic life cycle approach. Decarbonize shipping and reduce impacts of maritime transport. This recommendation supports developing alternative fuels and innovative ship designs. A major focus is on upgrading port infrastructure to support this transition, including shore power and alternative fuel facilities. This includes expanding the use of particularly sensitive sea areas, or PSSAs, to protect ecosystems from noise pollution and ship strikes. These global recommendations are not abstract goals. They are a practical guide for us in the Caspian. At Team CASPI, or Team Climate Action and Sustainable Partnership for Impact, we are developing translation of this global blueprint into local action. We can apply these principles to our vital sturgeon fisheries and aquaculture, ensuring they are managed sustainably while supporting our local communities and their livelihoods. For the Caspian's shipping and port sector, this means planning for cleaner fuels and greener infrastructure, reducing the environmental footprint of our maritime activities. And by adopting a life cycle approach, as urged by experts like Professor Tura, we can begin to address the challenge of anthropogenic pollution in the Caspian, protecting our unique environment. The One Ocean Science Congress recommendations provide a clear path forward. We're thrilled to share that building a sustainable blue economy is possible when we all work together. The future of our planet is in the hands of governments, industry, and local communities, and we're excited to see what the future holds. We see the Caspian Sea's water levels are dropping due to rising temperatures and reduced water inflow, threatening biodiversity and traditional fishing practices. There is well-documented and significant pollution of marine and coastal environments caused by oil extraction, transportation, and industrial waste dumping. How can we best implement these recommendations in the Caspian? We would absolutely love to hear your thoughts. Please feel free to share them with us below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our content. We are so excited for our next video. We're going to explore how we build the human capacity to make it all happen.